Have you ever wondered why some teenagers seem to have an inflated sense of entitlement, while others demonstrate a strong sense of responsibility? This conundrum has puzzled parents, educators, and society at large, leading us to explore effective solutions to nurture responsible behavior in teenagers. Enter the three-pronged approach: accountability, reflection, and community engagement. These three strategies, when combined, can be a potent catalyst in fostering responsibility among teenagers. The first prong, accountability, is about setting clear boundaries and consequences for actions. It's about imparting the understanding that with every decision comes a consequence, good or bad. This approach helps teenagers grasp the concept of cause and effect and how their choices directly affect the outcome of situations. It's a lesson in responsibility that extends far beyond their teenage years, setting them up for success in adulthood. The second prong, reflection, is about encouraging teenagers to think about the impact of their actions. By promoting self-reflection, teenagers start to internalize the consequences of their choices, not just on themselves, but also on those around them. This introspective process helps to develop emotional intelligence and critical thinking skills, which are integral to making responsible decisions. The final prong, community engagement, is about promoting volunteerism among teenagers. This is an opportunity for them to step outside their comfort zones and see the world from different perspectives. Through volunteering, teenagers can develop empathy and a sense of duty towards others. They learn that their actions can have a positive influence on the world, reinforcing the importance of responsible behavior. In essence, the three-pronged approach of accountability, reflection, and community engagement provides a comprehensive solution to the issue of teen entitlement. This triad of strategies empowers teenagers to understand and navigate their responsibilities with maturity and a sense of purpose. By instilling these values, we are laying the groundwork for a more responsible and conscientious generation, ensuring a brighter future for all.